I'm back again with another review. This review is brought to you by a company called Suphouse and also Thomason.com. Thank you so much, Suphouse and Thomason, for choosing me to bring this review to my lovies. So yeah, this video is on a company called Suphouse. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen them on my channel before, and they sell greeting cards, or they sent me greeting cards. So yeah, wanted to show y'all what they sent me. These cards are amazing, 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 and all information will be in the description box. The link to purchase these cards will be in the description box. These that I am reviewing now are happy birthday cards, and which I haven't received from them before, but if you've been watching my channel, I've received thank you cards from them before, and I have received Christmas cards from them before, and their cards are beautiful. The inside of their cards are blank, so you do have to write your own personal message inside, which is no problem for me if I'm saving so much money on a box of cards. So yeah, and then I get them for free just to bring on here and show you lovies these beautiful and amazing cards. So this is their 100 bulk happy birthday cards with envelopes and stickers inside of this box. They include 4x6-inch envelopes. They also include the stickers as well to send your envelopes. To seal your envelopes. If you are kind of a stickler about licking envelopes, then you definitely. Okay, sorry y'all. So yeah, I can't remember where I left off, but yeah, these cards are just amazing. They're perfect for weddings, baby showers, bridal showers, birthday business. Overall, they're just an amazing company with amazing cards. So like I said, this is the 100-piece box set, and if I'm not mistaken, you receive 25 different styles, and you receive 4 cards per style in this set as well. This set retails for only $16.49 on Amazon.com. So if you invest $16.49 on happy birthday cards, 9 times out of 10, probably not until next year, you will have to buy another greeting card, a happy birthday greeting card. And like I said, they sell other, different occasion cards on Amazon as well. So I'm going to show you some of the designs that you receive in this set. Yeah, it's 25 different styles, and you get, let me see. Yeah, you get 4 cards per style. So this is the first style, and it says happy birthday, and it's kind of like a vacation palm tree type of happy birthday on here, and it has like your turquoise and your purple. Very, very pretty. Love this. And like I said, the inside is blank. Next, you receive these cards, this style, and it says, I'm gonna buy you a drink. T-Pain. So yeah, this is so cute. Love this. This is so adorable. Then you have this style, which says happy birthday, and in happy, the A is a cupcake, the I in birthday is a candle, and the O in you, for happy birthday to you, the O in you is a gift. So that is so pretty. Then we have, and these cards are like perfect for every gender and age range as well. You have a birthday hat, and you have birthday. And then you have another design here that says happy birthday. And this is very, very cute. My daughter would love something like that. Then you have this design here. It says happy birthday as well. Very, very pretty. And you will also receive this design, which says happy birthday to you, with a cute cupcake. And then we have this one that says make a wish, with a bunch of candles. So pretty. You will also get a happy birthday cake design. I love the way this looks. It's so vibrant and pretty, so colorful. Love that. You also will get this one, happy birthday to you. And something like this is like perfect for husband, dad, son, you know, a male figure in your life. And then it's another design, let's celebrate, which is cute. Then we have smile, it's your birthday. If you want to cut it short, we have HBD. And some people, they don't like HBD, but yeah. Then we have cheesecake, happy birthday, which is cute. And it basically, well, this one is kind of similar to the pink one we just saw, but it's in green, which is perfect for a male. Then you have a best wishes here. Then we have, I love the color pink. I mean, the color pink of this. Happy birthday, I love you. Love that. Make sure I'm not, okay. Then we have this one. It says happy birthday. Very colorful. Then you have another one that's like male as well. Happy birthday. Well, in, you know, male color. Then so happy you were born. This is cute. I love that. And then we have this one. Happy birthday to you. We have this one. So pretty. And I love this one here. It's so colorful. Very, very colorful and pretty. And this one, eat cake. Eat the cake anime. I'm just joking. Eat cake, celebrate. Yes. So yeah. And then we have our envelopes here. Your 4x6 envelopes. And we also have the stickers to seal them, which say happy birthday on them, and they're in the shape of a heart. So yeah, definitely worth it. Like I said, this is the 100th birthday card bulk from Suphouse. This retails for $16.49 on Amazon.com. Definitely go and check them out, y'all, for all of your greeting card needs. I wouldn't recommend personally going back into another store and purchasing a greeting card when you can just stock up on special occasion greeting cards and just have them in your home so you will never forget a greeting card ever again. I hope you lovies enjoy this video. Check down below for all information, and I will see you in the next one.